Elite Remodeling would like to thank all of our attendees for joining our summer remodeled home tour on Saturday, August 17th, 2019. We had over 30 registrations with new, past, and existing clients. A detailed handout was provided to all in attendance for the various aspects of this full home remodeling project, including a summary of the client's original requested scope, a summation of the renovations done to each room with materials used and tasks completed. During the tour, we answered questions on the process of the home transformation and the drivers that lead to each renovation decision. Attendees particularly enjoyed the openness of the kitchen, wrapping of the granite countertops, and unique upscale upgrades done throughout the home. For those that missed our tour, please join us on Saturday, November 16th for our next scheduled remodeled home tour. You can register at our website, elitehomeremodeling.com, or call us at 972-334-9800.